Whether you're braving the outback or just the concrete jungle of the Little League fields, the Rhino Rack Batwing compact awning is a great shade solution. This compact awning is packed with style and function. It's perfect for the solo adventurer or couples with a small to medium-sized vehicle, minivan, or short wheelbase four-wheel drive. With 270 degrees of shade, the Batwing compact awning is ideal for enjoying the great outdoors or the local park. This awning is built to last. The legs and frames are coated in a rust-resistant black powder coat finish for durability, and they're mounted to plastic hinges for flexibility and longevity. The awning is made from a heavy-duty, lightweight ripstop material that is also mold and water resistant. Designed down under, it has been tested and rated to 50+ UPF, offering maximum sun protection. Braving hot summer days or rainy days doesn't mean you should sacrifice your comfort or your skin. So take the Batwing compact awning on your next trip and enjoy the great outdoors. This easy-to-use awning can be set up or packed away in minutes. Everything you need to deploy the awning is included in the stylish, heavy-duty black PVC bag. This awning is available in a left or right sweeping orientation for maximum adaptability, and Rhino Rack offers multiple accessories for even more protection and comfort. If you're interested in the Rhino Rack Batwing compact awning or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.